Those were my strawberry shortcake ice cream bars that we lined our springform pan with. Next, I'm coming in with my rainbow ice cream cups, and we're gonna grab these and we're gonna use the pink ones for obvious reasons. Add a couple to the bottom of our springform, and then we're gonna crush them to make a crust for this easy, no-bake dessert. All right, so we crushed up our 6 ice cream cones on the bottom of our springform. Now I'm coming in with my strawberry ice cream. Oh my goodness. It is gonna be a strawberry pink explosion, no-bake dessert. And we are gonna scoop our ice cream right on top of those cones. We gotta do this quick because those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars are starting to melt. I did have to soften them a little bit to remove those popsicle sticks, but we are gonna do this super fast so that we can start eating our delicious strawberry ice cream cake. Yep, you heard that right. This is gonna become a delicious ice cream cake that is all for the strawberry lovers. I think we're gonna use this whole entire, what is this, a gallon? Oh, 1.5 quarts of ice cream. So let's go ahead and scoop this in there. All right, this looks great. We're gonna grab our spatula and we're gonna start pushing that down into our springform, making sure that we have no air pockets in this delicious dessert. I'm just squishing that. This is gonna be so great for a spring or summer birthday. It is 4 ingredients and it's so easy to put together. You can make this, the night before and pop it in the freezer and then it'll be ready to enjoy. Oh yeah, this looks great. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, and don't worry if it's not perfect because we are going to cover it up with our extra creamy Cool Whip. And this is the 8-ounce container. So we're gonna add this entire thing right on top to cover up any of our imperfections. But don't worry, once we release this from the springform pan, it is gonna be absolutely flawless. So we are gonna put that on there and spread it from edge to edge. Now you can do a homemade whipped cream. I always say that, but I wanted this to be super quick and super convenient, and I wanted to keep it 4 ingredients because who doesn't love a shortcut when they're making a dessert? And you could honestly make everything homemade. I've seen people make those crunch bars, those strawberry shortcake bars homemade. Strawberry ice cream is super easy to make, especially if you have a Ninja Creamy. I wish I had one. That's gonna be on my birthday list. But we're gonna go ahead and spread this out until we are happy with how it looks. All right, I did leave some of those strawberry shortcakes peeking through. And of course, we have to finish up a birthday cake with our ice cream sprinkles. And these are some cute ones that match the entire theme of the cake. This is gonna be such a girly and cute birthday cake. All right, now you can skip the sprinkles if you're worried about the sugar, but I mean, at this point, probably shouldn't be eating this if you're worried about sugar. We're gonna pop this back in the freezer for 4 hours. All right, so I actually left this in the freezer overnight. We have a different apron, different day, but it is time to dig into our cake. We're just gonna release our springform. Moment of truth, I'm so excited. Whoa, look at that. This looks so fun. We've got strawberry ice cream in there. We have that cone crust. I think it's time to dig in. We're just gonna go ahead and cut a slice. Now this is solid, so you gotta put some muscle into it or heat up your knife, whatever you prefer. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Okay. I have been waiting all night to dig into this. It is time. I'm gonna get some of that strawberry shortcake bar, some of the strawberry ice cream, the everything.
Is it good?
Wow. That is so good. I mean, and so easy. You guys have to try this.